I think he has given all his time to the organization wherever he has worked, be it in BHEL or be it in Ordnance Factory or even various forms of the organization starting from APSCB to Telangana Transco. Now I think he will have time to spend valuable time, precious time with his family and friends in the coming days. So after 60, he is still having the same energy. He is keeping the same kind of a positive attitude, and he is always with a smile, and he always is alert. The moment I call, anytime he responds very positively, very alertly. So that kind of thing I have rarely seen in people. So, but sir will be having a different role from 1st October. So on his very birthday, he is entering into a new field. So he has to spend time with family. So probably he will have to face new situations, like he will have to assist madam in the kitchen, I don't know, or in household works. All these years probably he has spent, like we all say in the power sector, 24/7. So he might have definitely given the time to the organization, but now his time has to be spent not only for him, for the family also. And I note that his family is very well settled, his sons are well settled. I think he will have no major tasks to be completed. So I think he can spare his time in all social and religious activities or whatever his choice. So I thank him for supporting me in my new role here in Transco. It has been very immense help. So I thank him from this public place, and I wish him all the very best in his second innings. I hope now he will not have any tensions or stresses, and he will be free and a free bird from 1st October. All the very best, sir, and may you be blessed with health, wealth and prosperity all the time.